Get ready for this pleasant surprise in this quaint updated bungalow that is affordable and has 2 bedrooms, an open floor plan, and the layout of this home offers ample living space with plenty of storage and is located in a nice quiet neighborhood. The home has shiplap ceilings throughout and butcher block kitchen counters. The floors are low maintenance vinyl plank flooring, and the beautifully remodeled bathroom and wainscoting walls add so much character to the existing charm of this lovely home. The large, fenced backyard and private lanai is the perfect place to entertain friends or for relaxing. The HVAC system was installed in June 2022. The roof was replaced in 2014. The septic tank and drain field were replaced 4 years ago. The well pump was replaced about 3 years ago. The electric panel was replaced approximately 4 years ago. All the windows have been replaced and the hot water heater was replaced in December of 2020. New shutters installed January 2020. There is a bonus room which has a storage unit inside and a small room outside that is accessible from the backyard. The location is an advantage being so close to the beach, fishing piers, parks. Being just off SR 54 and 19, there are plenty of restaurants and retail